Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CEO token. Name of the token is CEO, and that is also the ticker symbol. This token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They're doing very well. They're trending #1 right now. They are well past their soft cap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the CEO token. It says a community meme token built on the Binance Smart Chain network with an experienced marketers, trusted partners, a new regime to force mass adoption of crypto mainstream and provide a serious but fun token for its valuable community members. Seifu, KYC, and audit, liquidity locked for 365 days, tax is only 3%, there's going to be buybacks, staking, NFT collection, artificial intelligence tools, CEO brand merchandise, DEX view trending, AVE trending, fast track to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, DEX tools, hot pairs, BSC daily marketing, CoinZilla banner ads, TikTok marketing, central exchange listings, and press releases. So they do have a full audit here. They were audited by CFG Ninja, and you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale. They also have a KYC on here, which means their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. And they have a Seifu badge on here, so all sorts of good security on this token. So soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 120 BNB, and they've already almost reached 300 BNB worth of tokens. So it's already a very successful pre-sale. They're trending #1, and there's a few hours left of this pre-sale. But if you missed the pre-sale and you didn't get this token, you're still looking to get it, no worries. Shortly after the pre-sale is over, you'll be able to get this token on PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and trading your BSC for the CEO token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, ceo-token.com. Now, if you want to find out exactly when the pool is being filled on PancakeSwap, just follow their Twitter at CEO_BSC or their Telegram at CEO Portal. Now, there's 18 decimal places on this token, a total supply of 10 million tokens. There is 2.46 million tokens for liquidity. And according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, it says 24.6% of the tokens go to liquidity, 5% team, 10% central exchange listings, 10% staking, 4.69% of the tokens are unlocked, 3.61% of the tokens get burnt, and 42% of the tokens go to pre-sale. Now, there is a free and quick light audit here by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale. And there's no bad warnings on this token whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there. No need to be concerned about that audit there. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can find tokenomics, utility, roadmap, full audit, social links, DEX view, PinkSale. All these links are on here, and links to a full white paper as well. So it says, did you miss Shiba? Did you miss Floki? Don't miss CEO. Recently promoted by Elon Musk, CEO has mastered the trade from his financial advisor and brings on a new CEO-nomics ecosystem with an unstoppable mission to complete Elon's mission to Mars, a fully decentralized and deflationary token built on the Binance Smart Chain, a meme token with a purpose for a new regime to force mass adoption of crypto mainstream and provide a serious but fun token for its valuable community members. So the tokenomics are on here. There's a 3% buy and sell tax, so you will have to set your slippage somewhere around 3% if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap. 1% goes to buybacks, 2% marketing. CEO would also like to announce that he will slowly be reducing the tax to 0% during his employment in the official headquarters of CEO. During buybacks, he will also be adding LP to sustain stability and longevity of the token. So we already went over supply there. Now, they have NFTs, so a non-fungible token will be introduced here. It says CEO has created his own line of NFTs that each employee will be able to mint to receive their staff discount as rewards. And as part of their ongoing process, each NFT will have unique characteristics and roles in the community. The higher the rank of the role, the higher the annual percentage yield in staking and reward dividends. So the NFT minting date will be announced, and the location says it's going to be on their webpage. You'll be able to get the NFTs. They have APR staking, so there's going to be different lockup periods of 3 days, 7 days, 30 days, and 6 months. So you can check those out. They have AI integrated tools. So it says AI technology will allow employees to make informed but beneficial decisions in trading with ease. The CEO bot will be a trading tool that will be fully automated with trading skills, and employees can take a step back and focus on playtime and their treats. CEO bot will have more details in phase 3 of the PAW map. Now let's check out the PAW map actually. So phase 1 is going to be development of the CEO ideology, website development and release, white paper, subscription pre-sale, marketing partners, NFTs, and staking app development. And then phase 2 is going to be DEX, token launch, massive marketing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, real-time surprise buybacks, NFT staking and APR staking, 5 million market cap. Phase 3 is going to be swap development, merchandise, tier 1 central exchange listings. They're going to bridge the token to Ethereum, Polygon, and Arbitrum, 10 million market cap, and then the bot comes out, the AI trading bot. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.